Hey, productivity enthusiasts! Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and constantly playing catch up with your to-do list? Do you find yourself constantly adding more tasks, but never actually completing anything? Well, have no fear, because today we're talking about the ultimate solution to your problems, Getting Things Done by David Allen. Getting Things Done is a productivity system that has been helping people manage their tasks and information for over 20 years. The idea behind the system is simple. You want to get things done, not just constantly add more to your plate. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to actually cross things off their to-do list and feel a sense of accomplishment? One of the key concepts in the book is the idea of processing your tasks and information. What does that mean, you ask? Think of it like sorting through a pile of laundry. You go through each item, decide what to keep, what to throw away, and what needs to be washed. That's essentially what you'll be doing with your tasks and information. You'll be deciding what needs to be done, what can be delegated, and what can be thrown away. Now, you may be thinking, but wait, I can't just delete things from my life. Hear us out. The goal isn't to just randomly get rid of things, it's to prioritize what's important and let go of what isn't. And who knows? You might just find that some of the things you thought were super important weren't actually all that crucial after all. It's like when you finally declutter your closet and find that shirt you thought you needed, but haven't worn in 5 years. Yeah, it's time to let it go. The Getting Things Done system also encourages you to break down your tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. No more write novel on your to-do list. Instead, break it down into smaller steps like outline plot or write first chapter. And if a task can be done in 2 minutes or less, just do it right then and there. No more putting it off and having it haunt you later. One of the most important things to remember when it comes to getting things done is that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The system can be tailored to your individual needs and preferences. Want to use a paper-based system? Great. Prefer to use your phone? That works too. The important thing is that you have a system in place that allows you to quickly process and organize your tasks and information. Another key aspect of the system is the idea of letting go of things that are out of your control. This means accepting that there are some things you can't change and focusing your energy on what you can control. Let's put it this way. Do you really want to spend your time stressing about things you have no control over? That's like trying to play a game of Jenga with only one hand. It's just not worth it. Another key part of getting things done is having a system in place for reviewing and reassessing your tasks and goals on a regular basis. This helps you stay on track and make sure you're not wasting time on things that are no longer important. Think of it like a personal performance review. You want to make sure you're constantly improving and making progress towards your goals. Getting things done also encourages you to adopt a mind-like-water mentality. This means being able to quickly and easily adapt to changes in your environment and priorities. It's like being a duck on a pond, calm on the surface, but able to handle any obstacles that come your way. By using the Getting Things Done system, you'll be able to approach new tasks and information with a clear mind, allowing you to focus on what's important and make quick, effective decisions. So, how do you get started with getting things done? Well, first you need to gather all of your tasks and information in one place. This could be a physical inbox, a digital app, or a combination of both. Then, you'll want to process each item, making decisions about what needs to be done, delegated, or discarded. From there, you'll want to organize your tasks into categories, such as work tasks, personal tasks, etc. And finally, you'll want to review your tasks and goals on a regular basis to ensure you're staying on track and making progress. Now, we know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but it's a lot of work. And yeah, it is. But trust us, the end result is worth it. Imagine feeling in control of your tasks and not constantly feeling like you're playing catch-up. Imagine being able to focus on what's important and actually getting things done. It's like a weight being lifted off of your shoulders. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to getting things done. Remember, this is a customizable system, so don't be afraid to make it your own. And most importantly, don't forget to have fun with it. This is your chance to be the master of your own productivity, and we know you've got what it takes. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready to start getting things done. Thanks for watching.